Hello guys, welcome back to famous YouTube channel. We are back with new innovative videos. In our previous videos, we have seen using Python language how to convert text to audio. Today's video is really innovative and interesting. It is useful for students who are doing project in machine learning. Today's video we are going to see how to convert speech to text. For that, go through the Python file first. First statement, import speech recognition. First statement, recognize speech input. Second statement, user voice recognizer. The recognizer is initialized. Third statement, using try and except block. While loop is used for the program listen to the user voice input, and if the user presses any key while program is executing, then it will terminate the keyboard input. Otherwise, if the voice is not detected, it recognizes the audio cannot be matched to text. Now I will execute the program. Sachin Tendulkar is a great batsman in limited over cricket. Saurabh Ganguly is a very great batsman, left-handed batsman in limited over cricket. Virat Kohli is a great batsman in limited over cricket. My mom is great. Modern college is great. Yes, we are successfully done with speech conversion to text. This is very innovative video. I have taken more efforts to create this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Now it will fire that no user voice detected and recognize and keyboard input. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.